Math Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be tackling problems about solving triangle angles. So we're going to be solving three different problems in which we're going to be given some situations with angles, and we're going to have to find the measurements that are not given to us using the sum of the angle theorem. Okay, let's begin. So guys, as the rule reminder here on the left says, the sum of the angles inside any given triangle is going to be 180 degrees. And that is precisely the rule that we're going to be using today in order to find the angle in three different triangles. Right. The first one, the first triangle we have, I'm going to name it A, B, C, like this. We are given that angle ABC is going to be 45 degrees and angle BCA is going to be 64 degrees. But we are not given angle BAC or angle A. But we do know, as the rule reminder says, that the measurement of angle ABC plus the measurement of angle BCA plus the measurement of angle BAC is going to give us a sum equal to 180 degrees, right? So the measurement of ABC is going to be 45 degrees plus the measurement of angle BCA is going to be 64 degrees, correct? And then last but not least, we're going to be given that the measurement of angle BAC is going to be X degrees, right? And that is going to be equal to 180 degrees, right? Because of the triangle angle sum theorem. Now, we know that 45 plus 64 is going to give us a total of 109 degrees plus X, and that is going to give us 180. Now, 109 is going to be adding X in this equation, and because this is an equation, we can pass it to the other side, subtracting. So X is going to be equal to 180 degrees minus 109. And once we do that subtraction there, that is going to give us that the value of X is going to be 71 degrees. Now pause the video if you need to take a little bit more time in order to understand this problem. Okay, now let's tackle the second problem. In this second problem, we actually have two triangles, right? So we're going to name it A, B, C, D, E, right? And we have two triangles. We actually have triangle ABC, and we have triangle DEC, right? So we're being asked to find angle CDE or Y degrees, right? And in order to do that, first of all, we're gonna have to solve triangle ABC, which is the one at the top. Now, we know that for triangle ABC, the sum of the angles is going to be 180 degrees. So let's call this angle here Z, right? So Z degrees. So we're gonna have that the measurement of angle CAB, which is this one, plus the measurement of angle ABC, which is going to be this one, plus the measurement of angle AZB is going to be equal to 180 degrees because of the rule reminder, right? So the sum of the angles inside the triangle is always going to be 180 degrees. And in this case, we're given that the first one is 46, that the second one is 53 degrees, and we do not know the measurement of ACB, but we do know it's C degrees, right? And that is going to be equal to 180 degrees. Now, as in the previous problem, we know that 46 plus 53 is going to give us an angle of 99 degrees, right? So plus Z, that is going to give us 180 degrees. Now, Z is going to be equal to, this 99 is going to pass subtracting, so that is going to be 180 degrees minus 99 degrees, right? So 180 minus 99 is going to give us an answer of 81 degrees. Now we know that this angle right here is 81 degrees. But how can we actually use that angle in triangle DEC? Well, we know that this angle right here, angle ACB, so this angle right here, is going to be congruent with this angle right here because these two are vertical angles. And because they are vertical angles, they're going to have the same measurement, right? So that means that this is 81 degrees as well. Now, it's much more easier because now we know that in triangle DEC, also the sum of the three angles is going to give us a total of 180 degrees. So we know that y degrees plus 81 degrees plus 44, which is, again, the three angles that we have, is going to give us a total of 180 degrees, right? And we know that 81 plus 44 is going to give us 125, right? So y plus 125 is going to give us equal to 180 degrees. After that, we know that that 125 is adding, so we can pass it subtracting to the other side, which will give us that the answer is 180 minus 125, which will give us a total of 55 degrees, right? And that is pretty much it, guys. So that's how we find the value of y, or angle CDE, by using the relationship of the vertical angles of the two triangles. So make sure you pause the video if you need a little bit more time to understand this one. Now, on the third problem, we're going to see that we actually have the two angles that are given inside the triangle, and we're going to have an exterior triangle, right? So in this case, we have that angle ABC, right? So this angle ABC is going to be 62 degrees, BAC is going to be 45 degrees, right? And we are being asked actually this angle, which is going to be outside. Now, there's actually two ways in which we can do this. The tip in the rule reminder says that the sum of the angles inside the triangle is 180 degrees. Now, that means that this angle right here, so the measurement of angle ACB, is going to be equal to 180, right? Which is the sum of the three minus the other two. So it's going to be minus 45 degrees minus 62 degrees. And whenever we do that, that is going to be equal to 73 degrees, right? Now, what we also know is that this angle right here, so this angle being 72 degrees, is going to be supplementary with this one, right? So these two are going to be supplementary, which means that the value of x plus 73 degrees is going to give us 180 degrees. So that means that x is going to give us a total of 180 minus 72 degrees, which is an angle of 107 degrees. Now, remember that I mentioned that there were actually two ways in which we could do this? Well, the other way is that whenever we have an exterior angle, like this one, the measurement of the exterior angle is always going to be the measurement of the sum of the two other angles. So it is way, way faster. So in this case, the measurement, right, if we have it A, B, C, the measurement of angle, right, let's call it this point B, the measurement of angle ACD is just going to be the sum of the other internal angles. So it's going to be equal to 45 degrees plus 62 degrees. Now let's try adding them to see if we get that same answer. Now we know 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus 6 is 10. So it actually works. The measurement of the external angle ACD is actually the sum of the two internal angles. So you guys can use that to your benefit to make problems shorter next time. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. We saw 3 examples with success, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!